Welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is another beautiful day here in Western Pennsylvania. This is definitely our Indian summer. It's about 70 degrees right now, clear as a bell, just a beautiful day. I'm out here working around the building and I have made the decision this morning that I need to build a new road. Alright, so this is going to take a little bit of explaining, so bear with me here. But you have the new building right here, right? Well, this is my road that goes down to the RRPC, which is Renewable Resources Processing Center. And you know, I'm always running back and forth down here with the tractor. That's where I park the dump trailer, my landscape trailer, all that kind of stuff. And my thinking was, when I built this building here, was to have a road go all the way around the back of the building, which I'm going to do, because this road here is going to have to go away. Next spring, you know, we're going to put a swimming pool right in here. So I was thinking, you know, just have the road go around the back of the building. And I know it's a lot of looping around and bends and turns and all that, but I really didn't have any other option because over in this way is my septic system, then it just drops right off over the hill. So I needed to think of a way to get down there. And I thought the best solution was to go around the back of the building, but I have a better idea. I'll show you. Now, I'm still going to have a road, you know, that goes all the way around the building. But the problem is, you know, say I have the dump trailer loaded with firewood and I'm going to make a firewood delivery. Well, I can't come up the hill all the way around the building out here and make this turn to go out. Can't do that. Or if I'm bringing, you know, a log truckload of logs in or a triaxle load of stone, that would be impossible. So what I was thinking of doing, you know, was coming off the driveway down here across, you know, and just being able to go out that way. But I think I have a much better idea. You can see the neighbor's house right there. Well, if you go about another, I don't know, 150 yards or so down there, there's another house. I actually own a piece of property in between those two houses. And what I'm thinking is, I'm going to put a driveway in between those two over there. It's way over there a ways. But you just got to clear a few trees and come around behind this house. I mean, it's going to be a ways away from that house. But the road, like say from the sawmill to come out that way, would only be maybe 300 feet long. And I could put a nice gate down there. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I won't have to do that until the spring. But the way I'm thinking is like delivering firewood or bringing in loads of stone or whatever, I wouldn't have to come anywhere near the house with any of that stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Maybe later on today or tomorrow, we'll go for a walk over there. It'll need a little bit of clearing, but yeah, it'll be a really nice driveway. It's pretty flat the whole way in there. You know, I'll come in off the road all the way around down to the sawmill. And like I said, for security, put a real nice gate, even a camera down there. But I think it's a great idea and should work really well. Now this door here on the garage, or this garage door I have right here, reason I have one here, I'm thinking the tractors, the side-by-side, all that stuff, if I'm heading out in the woods, I can just come out here, go around the building, head out on the trails. So I definitely need this road here. I'm thinking, you know, I just need to get some things away from the house. And the more stuff you put here, the less room that you have. So building a new road down there will solve all kind of problems. It'll work out just perfectly. That way, once the swimming pool's in over here, you know, I don't have to try to go out around it or anything like that. It'll just be good. It'll kind of separate, you know, what we have going on up here from, you know, all the firewood and sawmilling and things like that down below. So like I said, I'll be able to continue to use that road on the other side of the building until the swimming pool's installed, and that'll be in the spring. So sometime this winter, I'll clear the trees that I need to for the new road, and then as soon as the weather breaks in the spring, fire that new road in, put a gate in, be all ready to go. But anyway, I extended my downspout pipe here. That's at schedule 40. I put a couple 45s on it there to drop it down a little bit, get a little bit lower. And now I need to fill out around this corner, kind of widen this out some. I'll be able to get around here with a dump trailer, but like I said, with the new road, I won't have to. Now this area in here, I mean, I can take out probably 2 or 3 inches because I'm going to be putting in a bunch of stone in here in that geotextile that I bought the other day. So I'm going to get on the MX 5400 there. And first thing I'll do, I'll put a little bit of that 2A limestone just around this pipe. I like using that stuff. It's just, it's good pipe bedding material. You know what I mean? That way you don't have to worry about a big rock or whatever. So I'll put a little bit of that on there. And then we'll start shaving some of this off of here. Fill this in right here. Roll it all in. And it'll be good. All right, it's getting there. Right now I got to take a little break and go help a buddy of mine with a little project he has. And then when I get back this afternoon, I'll get back on this. Once I get the fill in here that I need, I'll get into pickup, you know, make sure I can drive it around it okay, no problem at all. That should work. All right, change of plans. I'm back from helping my buddy out on his little project, and now I'm on my way down to my mom's place. I took the long way down. I came down to the brick house, and I'm taking the trails up and around. What I'm looking for here is a place to put a double ladder stand for deer hunting. Not so much for archery or gun season, but for muzzleloader hunting. What we normally do is put a guy or two in the mini cabin. You go for a little hike down in here, but this is a really nice spot down here, and the deer really move through here quite a bit. But I don't have any stands in this area, and I don't need to get real high or anything like that. I'm just trying to find the right tree, and I think I found one. This is a beautiful spot right here, and the deer really run right along the edge of this hill right here. The mini cabin's up that way about I don't know, 1,000 feet, 1,200 feet, something like that. I want to put a stand somewhere right over in here where you can see both this way and down in that valley. I have been so busy with stuff lately that I haven't really taken any time to enjoy much. So as soon as I finish up down at my mom's place, she just has a couple little things she needs taken care of. I'm just going to go for a little ride in a side-by-side, maybe up the old apple orchard. It is just a beautiful day. And I know these aren't going to last. It looks like Tuesday may be the last day, then the bottom kind of falls out of the weather, but we'll see. All right, I finished up down at my mom's, and this is the first time I don't have a chainsaw in the back. Should probably put it in four-wheel drive. We're over. I'm up here at the old apple orchard now. I finished up down at my mom's place there, and you're looking over in the neighbor's field right now. I'm just using my phone. It's getting dark. I think there's 8, maybe 9 deer over there total. I don't see any buck. If they are, they're small. But anyway, it's a good time to wrap this video up, I think. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.